Hello friends, welcome to class. Today we're going to be learning about the place value of decimal numbers. Decimal means 10. Now we will notice that in our present day calendar we have 10 months. But in the Roman calendar, the original Roman calendar, they actually had 10 months. So December, dec, meaning 10, was actually the 10th month. But the Emperor Julius Caesar decided to add an additional month to the calendar, and that month was July, after his name, Julius. And after the death of Julius Caesar, the next emperor, Caesar Augustus, decided to add one extra month, which is the month of August. So, making our calendar to have 12 months. So dec actually means 10, while nov actually means 9. Then you have sept, which means 7. Then oct, which means 8. Now we want to learn about the place value of numbers, and we're talking about decimal numbers. So we look at the decimal part of the number, and the decimal part of the number begins from the decimal point, and this is our decimal point over here. And decimal numbers are actually fractions, so we don't call this 1, we call it 0.1. This is 0.14, 0.142, 0.1427. So like normal numbers, the decimal numbers also have a place value, and the first number after the decimal point is known as 10th, and that's the position. It actually has a value of 1 over 10. And the next number, which is the 4 here, is 100, which has a value of 4 over 100. The next number here is 1000, which has a value of 2 over 1000. And the fourth number here, the 7, at this point has a value of 10,000. That's the place value. So it's going to be 7 over 10,000. So they actually get their names from the denominator of the fraction. Now we're also looking at this number again. This number is 2.456. 2.456. We can see the position of the number here. The first number after the decimal point, 10, having a value of 4 over 10. Second number here, 100, having a value of 5 over 100. And this number here, 1000, having a value of 6 over 1000. This is the place value chart, just to remind us of what we are talking about. Now remember that this part is for the whole numbers, numbers that are whole, and this other part are dealing with the decimal part. So we're dealing here with the decimal part. So remember, the first number after the decimal point is always 10. Now we're going to look at this number. This number is 0.2. And remember, the first number after the decimal point is our 10. So this number, we call it, this place value, this is 2/10, signifying and showing that the value of this number is 2/10. 2/10. Now this is another number, 0.03, and we call it 300, because remember, this part is for the 10, and this part now is for the hundreds. So this is 300. 300. That's what this number is. And remember the place value. Now remember again, just to summarize, the first number after the decimal point is 10, the second number 100, the third number 1000. Please, you can take down your assignment. Thank you for being part of the class.